Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check in on the Kenya Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the check-in button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you can select from three options. You can search by booking reference, you can check in by your ticket number or your frequent flyer. If you tap on the first button, you should type in your booking reference to this first box. So type it in, and after that you will be able to check in. Type in your last name and click on the check-in button, and then the check-in or boarding passes page will be loaded. So if it's identified, you can check in. You can also search by your ticket number, so type it in and then your last name. And if you are searching by the frequent flyer, you should type in the airline, frequent flyer number, and then your last name, and click on the check-in button, and you will be able to finalize the process of checking in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.